Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back, and welcome back to another Vanity Chat Sunday. I know I haven't filmed one of these videos in about a month, 2 months. Honestly, lost track with it, but we're back. If you are new to my channel and you don't know what Vanity Chat Sundays are, it's basically where I just sit here in front of my vanity. We are very chill, we're laid back. I'm not filming with any of my filming equipment, like my lights, my camera. I'm actually just sitting in front of my iPhone, so my phone is recording me right now. But this is actually gonna be a different type of video because we're gonna be doing a vanity tour. So I am gonna be editing this video. All of my other Vanity Chat Sundays, I don't edit, so those are pretty raw. And if you guys wanna catch up with my Vanity Chat Sundays, I do have a playlist down below so you guys can look at all of those. They're very long, just to kind of warn you on that, but you know, they're chill, they're laid back, they're just relaxing. So if you like these types of videos, make sure you thumbs up this video. And yeah, so today I wanted to kind of do it different. I'm actually in the middle of cleaning my room, and I thought, let me just show them inside my vanity because it's already organized. I already have all the products that I've been using for the month, and I haven't even filmed my what's in my everyday makeup stash for the month yet. So this video is actually going to make up for that. So you will see all the products I'm using for the month. You'll get to see how I organize the products inside my vanity and what I keep the products inside the vanity. So yes, I do have to edit this video because I don't want this to be too long. So I am gonna be editing the clips in this video, but keep in mind all my other Vanity Chat Sundays, those are not edited. So yeah. What else do I want to say before we go into the vanity? I don't think I want to say anything else. So if you are interested, if you want to know how I organize my makeup inside my vanity and you know where I get things from and stuff like that, then let's go ahead and jump right in. All right, so this is like a quick overview. This is what my vanity looks like looking from the doorway. So I will have the vanity, the little table, what the mirror is sitting on down below in the description. So all the details will be down there if you guys are wondering where this is from. All right, and this is what the actual top of my vanity looks like. This is me sitting at the vanity, so you see what I see. So this is actually what my phone was sitting on when I was filming a minute ago. And then these are my everyday facial sprays. So I have this one by Glow Recipe. I have this one by Farsali, which I'm almost out of. Then this is my little hand lotion that I always like to keep. I always like to keep some hand lotion nearby. This is by Feel Balanced. I don't know. I got this out of like an Ipsy box. And then I have this Glow Recipe serum, which I really like. This is the Pineapple Glow serum. And then this is my little color switcher that I always show in some of my videos. I still get questions on where I get it, but this is from Target. And you basically just swirl your brush around in it to get the color off when you're doing your eyeshadow, and then just random stuff over here. These are my perfumes, my daily Juicy Couture Viva La Juicy perfume, which is my favorite. And then just some other random stuff right here. You see that I really don't have that much room on the vanity, but honestly, I don't need it. Like, I don't need much space because I keep all of my products in here. So this is my drawer, and this is everything already laid out inside my drawer. So we're gonna start over here. And the stuff, only thing I don't like about this drawer is it does not pull all the way back. So it just stops right here. So it's hard to reach in the back for product, but in the back, this is just a little random holder, eyelash holder that I have. I really don't use it anymore. I just have it sitting back there because it's cute. I like how it looks. It's marble print. This is from Your Lash Bar, and I just like it, so I keep it. And then I have my little Wet n Wild wipes back here. I always like to keep my wipes. And the other product that I have in the very back is this eyelash curler. So this is from Tarte. Oh, 2 more products in the back. I can barely see them. But this is a highlighter from Too Faced. This is the Diamond Glow Canary Diamond highlighter, and I like to use this on the inner corner of my tear ducts. Really, really pretty. I also like to use it as just a normal highlighter as well, but I think it's really pretty as a tear duct highlighter. Well, inner corner highlight instead of tear duct. I know some people may get confused when I say that. And then very back on this side is the Too Faced. See, it's so hard to get stuff from the very back, but this is the Too Faced Pineapple Glow Moisturizing and Brightening Face Mask. So I use this one in one of my Vanity Chat Sundays, so you guys will see how I use it in that video if you want to watch that. But starting back over here, this is where I keep all of my eyeliners, brow pencils. So I have all of my eyeliners right here, all of my brow pencils, and I just honestly keep using the same ones. So these are the ones that I kind of juggle between all month long. So I have the CoverGirl liquid eyeliner. This is their matte one. And I have the Anastasia brow pencil, this brown eyeliner by Sephora. So mostly brown and black eyeliners are in here. So I have that one by Sephora. I have this one by Pat McGrath in the shade Black Coffee. I have these right here are my one of my favorite drugstore eyeliners. These are the ones by Joa Beauty. So I have a brown one and a black one. I have my new brow pencil by Revolution Pro, which has, like, this brand is good, you guys. So good. I tried out some of their products in one of my recent videos. And then I have my two Kevyn Aucoin. Hopefully you guys can see. I'll probably brighten up the color in this video, but these are my Kevyn Aucoin, the Sensual Skin Enhancers, and I just use these for highlighting my brow bone, like concealing my eyebrows once I apply my pencil. And for mascara, I'm still going to be using this one by Flower Beauty. This is the Warrior Princess mascara, which has become one of my favorite drugstore mascaras. And I'm also testing out this one by Revlon. This is their new So Fierce mascara. So far, so good. But I will update you guys on this product in another video. But so far, so good. And I always keep my little eyelash glue in here as well. This is really dirty. I need to get a new one, but this is by Duo, and this is the dark one. So that's what I keep in this section. And these clear acrylics are from TJ Maxx. So I got this one from TJ Maxx, which has 1, 2, 3. So there's 3 small sections back there. This is one larger section. And then these 2 sections right here. So that is 1. Sponges, I know they're dirty, but that's where I keep my beauty sponges. This is where I keep the foundations that I pull out for the month. So the ones that I'm using this month, I have this one by Too Faced. This is the Born This Way foundation in the shade Chai. And I use this one in my recent video that I did on Instagram. And I forgot how good it was. So I am using that one for the month. I'm also using this one by L'Oreal. This is the L'Oreal Infallible the Infallible Fresh Wear Foundation, and this is in the shade 515. So I'm using that one, and I also am using this one for the month by Mented Cosmetics. This is their foundation stick in the shade T40. One of my favorite foundation sticks, so I definitely wanted to pull that one back out. And then over here, these are the 2 concealers that I'm juggling between. I know I keep using the Oma Beauty concealer, but I honestly can't put this down. Like, I love how this concealer looks on my skin. I like how it wears, and I'm already scraping the sides. I don't know if you guys can see that right there, but I'm already scraping this concealer because I use it so much. This one is in the shade T2. And I also wanted to pull out my Born This Way concealer by Too Faced. This is the Super Coverage Sculpting Concealer. So I have the shade Chestnut. Haven't used this one in a while, so that's why I wanted to pull it out. For my setting powder, I'm still using the Thrive Cosmetics setting powder. Girl, this has been holy grail status. I'm going through this like crazy. Like, this is so nice. This is a matte powder. It is translucent, but it's not like too drying. So that's one of the main reasons why I like it. And then of course my Sephora Micro Smooth. Y'all know, y'all already know. Y'all know. And this one is just a 3-piece. So it has 3 little squares. And this one is also from, actually these, the smaller ones are from Marshals. This one's TJ Maxx. This one is from Marshals, but I'm pretty sure you can get the same kind from, you know, TJ Maxx. And then this is another one with just 3 sides in it. So I already showed you the highlighter in the back. These, I'm actually about to run out. I honestly thought I was gonna run out of the Rimmel London Stay Matte Primer last month, but I'm still scraping, you guys. So my goal is to actually finish up both of these this month. This is the Milani Prime and Protect SPF Primer, and I just want to finish these up. And I also want to finish up the Thrive Cosmetics Setting Powders. So I'm on a mission to use up these products. So those 3 for sure, I want to go through and use up. And I'm also almost out of the Thrive, not Thrive, but the Oma concealer. So I want to use that one up too. And as far as moisturizers, I'm juggling between these 2 for the month. So this one I'm using again. This is the Garnier Skin Active Moisture Rescue. Y'all see that I have been going through this stuff. Look at that. Almost out. So I'm on a mission to finish this one up. And then this one by Origins. This was my all-time favorite gel moisturizer in the past. So since I haven't really used it in a while, this is a brand new one. I'll kind of want to open this one up, start using it. Very lightweight on the skin. And this one is also a gel moisturizer. Love using gel moisturizers around this time of the year because they're super duper light on the skin. So yeah, these are the 2 moisturizers that I have been going through for the month. As far as highlighters, I have this one by Dose of Colors. This one is in the shade Royal Hotness. And let me show y'all how this looks. It is gorgeous. So pretty. Look at that. Girl, stop. Look at that. But yeah, gonna be using this one for the month. And I pulled out this one by Makeup Forever. I have not used this in forever. So this one I actually customized. You can customize these yourself. So I picked 2 shades. I forgot what these shades are off the top of my head. So what I'll do is I'll leave it down below in the description, or I'll put it right here on the screen of, you know, what these shades are. But these are some really good highlighters, you guys. So I want to dip into this since I haven't used it in a while. As far as blush, I'm going to be using the Mented blushes. These are the 2 new blushes by Mented. I have one in the shade Peach for the Stars, and then the other one is in the shade Clay Too Much. I did a video on these already, so if you guys want to check out that video, I'll try to find it and have it linked down below in my description. So we are actually in another little separate container thing. So this one is also from Marshals. Like I said, all of these that are like the 3 little squares, they're from Marshals. And then the larger one, TJ Maxx. But yeah, so those are the blushes I'm going to be using. So as far as bronzer, I'm pulling back out my Fenty Beauty Cocoa Naughty bronzer. Y'all, I'm actually going through this like crazy. Let me show y'all if I can open it. Come on, there it is. I'm going through this thing like, look at that. Can y'all see that dip? There's a dip in there. I have been using this like crazy. I also like to use it as an eyeshadow too. So yes, that's the blush and bronzer I'm using for the month. And over here, let me take my phone off the charger thing so I can reach it. And then moving on over here, I hate this drawer does not pull out all the way, but these are the 3 palettes that I'm using for the month. I'm pulling back out the Alyssa Edwards Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. This is the one that I threw in my everyday makeup stash last month, but I want to use it again for this month because I just have been obsessed with this shade right here, HOE. And I also like the black in here. It's very, very, very pigmented. And I also like this color right here, Unicorn Tribe. Girl, this is actually one of my top palettes from Anastasia, so definitely want to continue to use this one for the month. And then this little Morphe palette, this is the 3B Pure Nude. I always like to keep this in my vanity because this is like my go-to palette that I always keep inside my vanity. So if I need to reach for a color that is a good crease color or something very soft, very neutral, I'll just reach for this. So I keep this one in here. So that'll be my go-to everyday shade if I need like an everyday crease color or something like that. And we are going to be dipping into this one by Makeup Obsession. This is the one that I featured in one of my recent videos where I did full drugstore. So this, look at these colors, y'all. Like, cannot get enough of this. So I definitely want to dip into this one for the month. And then over here, I always like to try to keep some of the things that I get in PR or some of the things that I get from Sephora, like these little boxes right here. This is actually a box from a skincare set that I got. So I just keep, you know, I keep some of the things to put it inside the drawer because it makes a good storage, you know, some good storage. But this is the box full of all of my favorite nude lippies. So I have lip liners, I have lipsticks, I have lip glosses. But yeah, that is all that I wanted to share in today's Vanity Chat Sunday / Vanity Tour. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this video by giving it a huge thumbs up. I am doing a giveaway on my channel for this whole year. So every single month I give away one box to one person. And I'll go ahead and leave a clip of this month's box so that way you guys can see all of the goodies that I have to share. It's super easy to enter. All you have to do is make sure that you are subscribed. Make sure you thumbs up the video as well as leave a comment down below in the comment section. And I don't want the comments to be anything about the giveaway. Let's talk about if you have an everyday makeup stash. Do you go through your makeup on a weekly basis, monthly basis? Let me know and let's chit chat down below in the comments. And yeah, so that is all that I have. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you thumbs it up. Make sure you are subscribed if you're not subscribed already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.